Hi there. Today in this video we are going to talk about comment parameters in WP query. So this parameter is used to get result based on the comments count on any particular post type. So we will continue adding the code into this allbooks.php and we are going to get book post type based on the comment count. So here is the page where we are getting the result based on the WP query, and here in the book let's try to add some comments on a particular book. So I'm gonna add some comments first. So there are 4 comments added on this post, and if we want to get book which has 4 comments, in that case we can use this param comment count, and we will pass 4. So now let's see, it should give this Ramayana India result. So as you can see, now let's try to add comments in this post. Mahabharata, so I have added 3 comments on Mahabharata. Now let's try to change it to 3. So it should give Mahabharata now. Now what if we want to get result uh, which has more than 2 comments? So in that case what we can do is, instead of passing the number over here, we can pass array, and in that array specify the value, what number of comments you want to pass. And I want to get the result which has more than 2 comments, so we can add compare. So I want to get a comment, I want to get a book which has more than 2 comments. Let's see what happens. It should get the Mahabharata and Ramayana now, as you can see. And if we do like this, which is not equal to, then it will give all the result, because all has no some has 0 comments, that means it is not equal to 2. And let's say we want to get result which has less than 2 comments, so there are lots of that. Now let's say we want to have greater than 2, and we have this Mahabharata and Ramayana. Now let me comment on this Ramayana Lanka, and I will add only 2 comments. And try to refresh this. Still we are not getting that result because we are comparing greater than. Now let's see, let's say I want to get books which has greater or equal to 2 comments. So in that case we are getting this Ramayana India, Ramayana Lanka, both the result. So similarly, less than equal to, greater equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, or all the comparison you can use based on your requirement. You can see all these comparisons over here. I will share this link into the description section. So yeah, this is how comment count parameter works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.